Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about YouTube SEO the ultimate guide. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. A YouTube SEO the ultimate guide for 2020? I thought YouTube had been penalized by Google. YouTube is one of the fastest growing websites on the internet. With millions of people viewing YouTube videos every day, you can expect YouTube to continue to grow. Like any other website, YouTube must be good and will get links from a lot of different places in order to be successful. You have to understand that as a YouTube SEO the ultimate guide for 2020, you need to use the power of SEO as much as possible. This will allow you to gain your success online. The problem with YouTube SEO the ultimate guide for 2020 is that the platform has been attacked by Google over the last year. According to Google's own data, there are a few hundred accounts on YouTube that are made for spamming and other things. Even so, if you promote a product in YouTube, you risk getting into trouble from Google. If you're promoting a product or service in YouTube, then the best advice is to avoid spammy content. If you've spent time writing content that you know is not going to be useful, it is best to remove it. YouTube wants to stay away from websites that promote something that they are not going to use. Most websites on YouTube are written by brand affiliates who already have their products in the market. When you promote products or services in YouTube, you risk getting into trouble from Google. Unless you are familiar with the rules for content distribution, it would be best to remove your products and stop promoting them. On YouTube, you want to use the tool called the Creator's Profile. This lets you use different locations to promote your products. You can post your YouTube videos in videos.google.com, as well as your own channel. However, if you make any promotional posts on the social networking site MySpace, you will probably be banned. There are some services out there that offer product promotion on YouTube. These services are paid, but they do work. But, you have to make sure that the company you are using will not get banned from YouTube. There are a few ways to find a reputable service for product promotion on YouTube. One option is to consult an online business directory. You can also go to Google and search YouTube and see if there are any services that are available. Another final option is to research what kinds of promotions are available. You might not think that there are many tools available for you to use, but there are a lot of helpful tools and ways to promote a website on YouTube. These tools include white labeling, auto recognition, bookmarking, and file type plugins. You should consider all of these options to make sure that you get the most out of your YouTube promotion efforts. It is good to realize that there are many options available to you, but you have to make sure that you are able to implement these options. This article is meant to help you be a better YouTube SEO the ultimate guide for 2020. In addition, it also tells you how to be a better internet marketer. YouTube SEO, finding the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020. As with any search engine optimization, YouTube SEO is all about the keywords. Keywords are essential in any search engine optimization strategy because the major benefit is the increase in your website's search engine rankings. If you do not know how to pick the right keywords, then you should not worry, you should be able to start in the right direction. To start with, video making websites are booming and they have created many unique types of videos and clips which are simply amazing. We are talking about the best kinds of videos in which you can find a broad spectrum of topics and themes. When you are looking for the right YouTube SEO, you need to be ready to dive in and begin creating videos of your own. When you are into the right search, you will see that there are endless options out there for you to choose from. Videos are also the easiest way to share your thoughts, ideas and opinions. For many, videos will always be a favorite means of sharing what they love and the things they like. About things or even social networking sites. The videos that you will create can be your ideal search for YouTube SEO, the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020. Videos are an important aspect of modern society, but that does not mean that you will be able to succeed in any marketing campaign without the help of the proper Google keyword suggestions. The right YouTube SEO will help you to achieve your main goal, which is to be on top of the list when it comes to online search engines. One of the most common strategies for search engine optimization is building links to your website through specific search terms. These are vital for a successful link building strategy. But if you are still unsure as to how this can be done, then you should be able to find the right YouTube SEO, the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020. The search for a YouTube SEO, the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020 does not end here. In order to obtain that elusive #1 ranking for your videos, you must make sure that your videos are up to par. When you are ready to submit your videos, you should be ready to hire a specialist in this type of SEO. In order to get a higher ranking for your videos, you should do a little research before actually starting to put them up for submission. This will ensure that you rank high enough for it to be taken seriously. Once you submit your videos, you should always make sure that you are in touch with the right people so that they know what the highest ranking is. This is very important since you do not want to repeat the same mistake twice. YouTube has the toughest ranking algorithm that is used by the top online search engines, so you need to know what to expect. When you have seen the value of having the proper keywords for your videos, you should be ready to see the value of having the proper keywords for your videos, the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020. The easiest way to attain the right YouTube SEO, the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020, is to determine your own keywords and stick to them throughout the campaign. It is very important that you stick to these keywords so that your search engine optimization campaigns are going to be successful. There are many websites out there that will try to make money off of you if you use the wrong keywords. To determine your keywords, you need to use some of the tools that are available out there. You should use an automated tool that uses keywords based on the last 10 or so years, or you may want to use Google Trends to find out what the most searched for keywords are over time. Hopefully, these guidelines will help you achieve YouTube SEO, the ultimate guide for beginners in 2020. When you have done this, you will be a pro at online marketing and most likely able to generate a substantial amount of traffic. How to generate traffic through YouTube SEO. This is an exciting time for everyone involved with YouTube SEO, from those new to the game to people who have been in the game for years. The next few years will be one of the most exciting in the history of this method of getting website traffic. YouTube SEO is a subject that is being studied by many students of the business. It will become more popular as the site grows and expands. The search results that are offered on this site are even growing. There is an ongoing challenge that YouTube SEO faces, however. For those who do not know, you can submit your YouTube videos to various websites around the world. When someone uses your link in their search, it will appear in their results on Google. In order to receive traffic from these sites, you need to be ready to promote them as well as your own videos. You need to know the ins and outs of the game. In the next few articles we will take a look at the various methods of promoting your videos on the internet. The first step in marketing your YouTube videos is to find out where your videos are. Google will provide some information here. You can find your videos through YouTube's search box. On the search page that appears when you start up the search engine, simply enter the name of the video. You will then see a list of related YouTube videos that you might want to include in your own These videos will have your YouTube link in the description. So if you use this method to find your videos, it will work the same way for any videos that you submit. The next step is to find a good web hosting service that offers a blog that is indexed by search engines. The hosting company should also offer an auto-posting feature to help generate links for your videos. This allows visitors to upload their comments and to upload their own videos. Your videos need to be posted on as many blogs as possible. Try to post your videos on as many sites as possible. With each site that you post your video, you will have a higher chance of receiving a visitor from. You should also consider submitting your videos to directories that are related to your niche, such as Yahoo or EzineArticles. Make sure that the text and the links are relevant to your videos. If they are not, the search engines will simply ignore them. The last thing you want is to send visitors to an invalid website. The next step is to optimize your video for social networking sites. Try to use the video tags feature on YouTube and include a signature line that says something like "produced by YouTube SEO." This will help to create even more backlinks for your videos. The last thing you should do is to promote your videos through social networking sites. You should have a Facebook profile, for example, so that you can post photos. You should also try to upload links to your videos so that more people can see them. Hopefully, the next few years will be very exciting for all of those involved with YouTube SEO. It is no secret that this service can generate a large amount of traffic to your website. Thanks for watching my YouTube SEO The Ultimate Guide. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.